What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a video on this beauty runway. My sister gave me this as a gift from Walmart and it's so bomb. It got a lot of makeup in it, so I'm going to do a full face with this makeup, but it's going to be a simple beat. So this is what they have in there. It has a beauty runway face. You got the eyeshadows. They have the lip glosses. That's all the colors in the lip glosses. This is another type of lip gloss. These are the brushes. Those two are the lipsticks. That's for the mascara. They have an eye primer. That's the eye primer. Those brushes are for the lip glosses at the bottom. That's the brow gel. And those are the eyeliner. That's the face primer and the highlighter. So I'm starting off with my brows. I'm outlining them with the dark brown pencil that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm putting this brow gel. I'm using the dark brown and I'm going to fill it in my brows. Now I'm going to blend my brush with this spoolie. Now it's time to conceal my brows. I'm going to conceal with LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm using this little brush that came in the kit. And I'm going to use that to clean under my brows. So yeah, I had to get something to pull my hair back. It was all in the way. Now I'm going to be using this face primer and put it all over my face. This face primer was a little thicker than lotion or my regular primer. But this is a good starter kit for whoever want to learn how to do makeup. It has basically almost everything in it. Now I'm going to be using this beautiful bronze black opal foundation and put it all over my face. Now I'm going to conceal with black opal in the color tan. Now I'm using this beauty blender that came with the kit, and I'm going to blend in my concealer. Now I'm going to use air sponge to set my face, and you can get this from Walmart. I don't like to put too much on because I have dry skin, so I just dab a little bit on there. Now I'm going to put this bronze glow on. I got it from Walmart as well. Now I'm going to highlight with this color right here. I'm going to use this brush that came with the kit. Now I'm going to use this eyeshadow primer and put it on my eyes. Now it's time for the eyeshadow. I want a natural beat, so I'm going to use this highlight color and put it underneath my eyebrow bone. I'm using this brush that was in the kit. Now I'm using a dark brown color and I'm going to put it in my crease. I'm also using this brush that came with the kit as well. Now I'm blending the two eyeshadows so it can blend well. Now I'm going to pick this color on my eyelid. Now I'm using this black eyeliner and I'm going to put it underneath my bottom eyelid. Now I'm using this black eyeliner and I'm going to put it underneath my bottom eyelid. And I'm going to put it underneath my bottom eyelid. Now I'm going to use this mascara that came with the kit, and I'm going to put it on my lashes. Now I'm using this brown eyeliner. It's meant for an eyeliner, but we're going to use it as a lip liner. Now I'm using this NYX lip gloss. So these are my favorite lashes. I got it from Amazon, and this is the Kiss glue, the Kiss eyelash glue. So this is the final look. I hope you like this video. I really like how this look came out. It's a bomb look on a budget. Please like, comment, and subscribe.